Hey there and welcome to this quick guide. In today's video, you'll learn how to change your username using the IMDb app on your Android phone. Whether you want to update your identity or just personalize your account, this tutorial will walk you through every step easily. Let's get started now. First, open the IMDb app on your Android phone. Next, tap on your profile icon or go to the Account section. Then, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the Edit icon. After that, tap on your username field. Now delete your old username and enter the new username you want to use. Finally, tap the checkmark icon in the top right corner to save your new username. Your username should now be successfully updated. Thanks for watching this tutorial on changing your IMDb username. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tech tips right here on our channel.